Welcome to the Case Study Learning Series in International Business by Skilled MBA. Today, we explore a critical expansion decision faced by Rajratan Global Wire Ltd, a leading supplier of tire bead wire. The strategic question: should Rajratan expand its existing operations in Thailand or invest in a new plant in Chennai, India? Each option holds different implications for cost, market access, and long-term competitiveness. Rajratan's core business is the production of tire bead wire, a key component in tire manufacturing. With manufacturing facilities in multiple countries, the company is a recognized global player and a trusted supplier to leading tire manufacturers worldwide. The company is at a crossroads. One option is to expand capacity at its existing Thailand plant. The other is to build a new manufacturing facility in Chennai, India. This decision will define Rajratan's future market positioning, domestically and internationally. Established infrastructure. The Thailand facility already exists, which cuts down setup time. Experienced workforce. Trained staff is on site and operational. Supply chain. Integration. Long-standing supplier and customer relationships are in place. This option enables speed and continuity. However, there are drawbacks. Higher labor costs compared to India. Export logistics. Shipping back to India adds cost and complexity. Growth limitations. Space constraints could restrict long-term capacity expansion. Building a new plant in Chennai offers direct access to the Indian market, which is rapidly growing. Cost efficiency with lower wages and operational expenses. Long-term growth potential, driven by India's expanding automotive sector. Challenges include longer setup, timeline, 18 to 24 months to reach full operations. Regulatory hurdles, navigating permits and compliance issues. Operational risks, training a new workforce. Supply chain development, establishing supplier relationships from scratch. The backdrop for Rajratan's decision: 4.7% annual growth rate in the global tire industry, a market size of $290 billion, 1.8 billion tires produced annually worldwide. This is a fast-growing and high-demand industry. Thailand offers logistical integration and speed, but comes with high costs. India offers lower costs and long-term growth, but requires higher investment and more time. Both are strategically valuable, depending on Rajratan's priority: short-term execution or long-term positioning. Thailand. Expansion. Lower upfront cost. Faster return on investment. Higher ongoing operational expenses. Chennai plant. Higher initial capital. Slower ROI. More sustainable cost structure in the long run. Whichever path Rajratan chooses must support long-term global positioning in the tire bead wire market, manufacturing excellence, maintaining high-quality standards, stronger customer relationships, particularly with global tire manufacturers. Key risks include global disruptions, like pandemics, impacting operations, currency volatility, especially fluctuations between the Thai baht and Indian rupee, industry shifts, technological evolution in tire manufacturing, political and regulatory uncertainty, especially in emerging markets. Thailand. Expansion, 6 to 9 months, primarily equipment installation. Chennai plant, 18 to 24 months, from construction to operations. A staged approach is also possible, expanding Thailand now while preparing for India in the long term. Investors. Interested in ROI and sustained growth. Employees. Seek stability and new opportunities. Customers. Want reliable supply and competitive pricing. Any decision must align with stakeholder expectations and confidence. Rajratan's final decision will follow a structured process. Evaluate options using clear, weighted criteria. Assess capabilities and requirements for both scenarios. Consult stakeholders, both internal and external. Align with strategic goals to ensure sustainable global competitiveness. Thank you for engaging with this case from the Case Study Learning Series in International Business by Skilled MBA. The Rajratan Expansion Dilemma offers valuable lessons in capacity planning, global investment strategy, and balancing short-term returns with long-term positioning. We hope this case deepens your understanding of global manufacturing decisions in a rapidly evolving market landscape.